How to use Rocket Lawyer Last Will and Testament properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most beginners assume creating a last will with Rocket Lawyer is as simple as filling out a form, but the surprising truth is that mistakes can make your will legally invalid or leave your estate in dispute. The first mistake is incomplete beneficiary information. Names, relationships, and contingencies must be precise. Beginners who leave out details risk confusion, contested wills, or assets going to the wrong people. Another common error is failing to appoint an executor. The executor manages your estate and ensures your wishes are followed. Beginners who skip this step may cause delays or disagreements among heirs. Many users also ignore witnessing and notarization rules. State laws often require specific procedures for a valid will. Beginners who overlook these can create a will that isn't legally enforceable. Failing to account for digital assets or minor children is another pitfall. Social media accounts, online banking, and guardianship arrangements need explicit instructions. Beginners who omit these may leave complications for heirs. Finally, some people neglect updates. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or new children require revising your will. An outdated will can create conflict or fail to reflect your current intentions. To use Rocket Lawyer Last Will and Testament properly, provide complete beneficiary details, appoint a reliable executor, follow witnessing and notarization requirements, address digital assets and minors, and update your will regularly. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your estate plan will be secure and legally valid.